I'm going back in. As you can see, I'm enchanted. Hope this works. Let's head home. Okay. This is not loading. It is nighttime, so I do have to be careful of the employees.
The store. The store is now closed.
That could have ended badly.
The store is now closed. The store is now
I need to get home as soon as possible.
The store is now closed. 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 The store is now closed.
I'm gonna run out of hunger.
The store is now closed.
Still 1,000 blocks away. Please turn on the lights. Oh, I'm so ruined. It's over for me. Wait, I can make it. Oh yes, my protection. So helpful. No. Only got 400 more blocks to go. The lag is absolutely murdering me. Only 200 blocks away. No, please.
The store is now closed.
I'm on one heart.
The store is now closed.
Only 70 blocks, 60.
The store is now closed.
I can literally see the waypoint. I can see the actual field itself.
The store is now closed. The store is now closed.
Oh!
The store
Yes. It's at our spawn. That was stressful. Where's all of my left though? I have like I would love to expand my everything, but got a bunch of fools after me, so need to make room for my enchanting It's daytime now, hooray! Expand this way. Where's all my concrete? Do I not have any concrete? All my blocks are in here. What in the, why did I stick it in there? Okay. Let's just build the room around the enchanting table. Well, I guess I go gather more concrete, because I don't want this to be walls of mine. There are bookshelves here. Did I never notice that? I'm a fool. Well, no. Whatever, it's daytime now, so they're passive aggressive. Get out of my enchanting room. Kill this fool. Conserving resources. Oh. Well, now that my entire house is now safe from invasion, I can continue. I wonder if I could get up onto that. I wonder if I could get onto the roof of the building with ender pearls. I don't have ender pearls, so I don't know how that's gonna happen. But you know. We'll leave that there. But we'll take this corner. Now I just need to slab it over with all of my 0 slabs. Ah! All come together more slabs. Not to the multitude of employees here. Ooh, maybe I slab it over with black stone. That would be I don't need much space in here, so... Oh, I don't have the black stone for this. And I'm not going to be doing much activity in here, am I? So... Alright. Where is more black stone? Over here, perhaps? Yes. Oh, this is a slab. Alright, that's about it. See ya.